Hello everyone, welcome back again with me on 3rd Koniago Engineering. Today we will continue course about Solidworks Motion Study. This course reference from this book. This video we will study about Solidworks animation. And if you like my animation, you can buy my animation concept in Lynk ID. Link in description. Without wasting time, let's start it. In the last video, we learned about math. If you have learned math feature, you can make this machine. See? Now we will learn about how to make animation use this assembly machine. To be honest, I have created a Solidworks animation tutorial. You can watch in this video. I create a new tutorial specifically for this course. Now, active exploit view. This feature is used to break down assembly into separate component part, like this. Click this part, this part, this part, and this part. Maybe this part too. Drag the assembly. See? Now you can check this. Active auto space component, and the part will like this. See? Minimize the distance like this. See? Make this, the flow is 100 and done. Click this part, drag, go out to the part like this, and make the flow is 80 and click OK. See? Now you make an exploit view like this, and you can animate the exploit view like this. Right click this feature and click animate collapse like this. See? And you can active like this. See? And you can do the reverse animation like this, and when exploit, see? And now we will make animation. Go to motion study. We will make this animation like this. See? We just use rotary motor 1. Now we make new animation. Right click motion study. Click create new motion study. Now you have 0 parameter like this. Now active motor. Click this part. Make the speed is 50 rpm, and click OK. See? And make the orientation is symmetric like this. View orientation, make it symmetric. See? Let's try calculate. See? Now we want to make animation the view like this. In orientation and camera, right click from this point and insert place key, and in 2 seconds insert place key like this. and go to 2-second view, right click this key, and view orientation make from like this, and you will make like this. See? Now if you want the view is rotate, you do like this. Go to 3-second, go to animation wizard. In this animation wizard, you can rotate model, explode, and collapse. In this case, we try rotate model. Click next. In y-axis, choose counterclockwise like this, and click next. And duration is 10 seconds. The start time in 3, and click finish. And you can do like this. See? See? Now we make explode animation like this. Drag to 15 seconds. Go to 14 seconds. Insert key. And in 15 seconds, insert key like this. Go to right click key in 15, go to view rotation and click isometric. See? Now go to 16 seconds, drag this to into 16 seconds. Active animation wizard, choose explode and click next, finish. See? Now your animation like this. Sorry, before that, in 16 seconds, make the motor off like this. Right click in 16 seconds and click off like this. Now you can make like this animation. Sorry. Active calculate. See? And I want the animation like this. Press key, and is this, press key. In this key, right click and go to view rotation, click isometric, and the animation like this. See? Now let's make the collapse animation. In 23 seconds, drag this point, active animation wizard and check collapse, click next and click finish. Start. And in 30 seconds, the motor on again. Right click from this point and click on. Now drag to 30 seconds. See? The motor on. Now go to this point, press key, and to this 30 seconds, insert the key. Right click the key and click isometric view. See? Now let's see the animation. Now let's save the animation. Active save animation. Choose the save as type is MP4. Change the name is Red Engine MP4. Maybe Red Engine, just Red Engine. And make the ratio is 1920 1080. See? And frame per second is 15. And click save. Just waiting. And now the animation is done. Go to the animation folder, and this is the animation. Let's see. See? I think this is the end tutorial. I hope you like and can learn Solidworks use my video tutorial. Thanks for watching. See ya.